Hello all, welcome to Pragmatic. Today I am going to present the fleet tracking management in Odoo. So first of all, install this module. So after installation, I'm going to the settings and users. Here you can see the fleet administration like admin. So when administration, just add the groups in this user. After that, I'm going to the fleet management. So this is the view of the fleet management. They have employee attendance, map view, and Google Map API. So first of all, going to the Google Map API. So add the Google Map API key for here. So then only the map will be viewed. So this is the first step for the fleet management. And after that, I'm going to the employee tab driver. So here we can to create the driver. So I'm going to add a new driver like driver C. So here we can to add the email and C, and also we can to add the vehicle number. So I'm just add the vehicle number like, and here you can just select the vehicle type. So this type will be showing the map view like a that vehicle type. So I'm going to select the car, and next here you can do add the phone number and the mobile number. Then I'm going to save this. That time the driver employee will be saved. Then I'm going to create user. They have a button like create user. So when I click this, that time a portal user will be created for that particular driver C. So I will show that. Going to the settings, users. Here you can see the driver C as created as a user. So I'm going to set that user password. And next I'm going to that fleet management. So here you can see the map view. So when the Google Map API key set, the map will be showing to here. So here when they have a button like all and that particular drivers, when you click the all, that time all drivers will be showing. Like here you can see the driver B, driver C, all are showing to here. And when I click that particular driver only, so that will be showing to here. So, and next is the attendance. So this is the attendance like, so when driver has login and log out, check-in and check-out time will be showing, and worked hours will be showing to here. Any worked extra hours, that will be showing to here. This is the attendance table for that particular driver. So currently I'm going to log in as a driver C. So I'm logged as a driver C. Then I'm going to that particular administration and map view. Here see the driver C is like a green label, like he is logged in. So this is the symbol, and the driver B is in red. So this is not login at a time. So I'm going to the attendance. Here's here we can see the driver C attendance will be created like one line, so that logged time and date will be showing to here. Currently they have now checkout, so he is working. Currently is working, so they have now checkout. They have no working hours also. So the when map view, when click all, so all users drivers will be showing to here. When click that particular driver only, so that driver only will be showing. So currently the driver is here. So next I'm going to logged out for that particular driver. Log out. So I log out. Then I'm going to that fleet management here. the driver C is logged out. You can see the driver is in red. So when I am going to the attendance, so here you can see the check-in time and date will be showing, and checkout time and date will be showing, and the working hours like 1 minute. So this is the overall view of our fleet management. Thank you.